One of the easiest things that we can do when we're heading into wintertime is change our wiper blades. So I got some wiper blades here. They're toast, as you can see, hanging down. I'll bring you in closer. We're going to change the wiper blades. One of the best ways to get ready for wintertime is changing your blades. Come along. Okay guys, you see that we have the wiper here. One of the things, little flathead screwdriver. Okay, nothing fancy. Pop that up. There's a little thing in the back. There's a tiny tab. You want to push that down. And this, it's a little hard to get it. It's a little bit, my hands are a little too big. Push it down towards you, and then it's released. That's it. Okay, you want to make sure that you put this arm down, because if it slaps on your glass, it could bust your glass. You have to buy a new windshield. As you can see, this is toast. Okay, we have a replacement, a whole arm replacement. I may take that one and reuse it since it's factory, but this is a Bosch. Okay, we're going to feed it in through this side. So you see you have an arm. There's a hook on the arm. You're going to put this through, get it on the other side, snap it down. You're good to go. Driver's side done. Great thing to do before wintertime. We're going to go ahead and try to remove this. This is the replacement. This is actually a different size. My driver is 24. This is 22. Make sure you check your manual or ask your local auto parts store. So just looking for the tab, press it down. I'm going to save these. Like I said, they're factory. Make sure to put your arm down while you're walking away. These are factory, but they need to be refinished. That's what I'm going to do. Set it down gently. Here's the pretty easy. Remember, we're going to feed it in through this way. So we're going to feed it. Get it hooked around. Go up. Just want to make sure I get it seated properly. There you go. Down, clip. Done. Like I said, 24-inch, 22-inch on this side, 24 and 22 is the size. This is exactly what you want to do. Get ready for wintertime. Replace those blades. One of the often, people always forget about this, myself included. Got a little tab. Take it off. Bring it all the way out. Okay. Again, make sure to put this back. But I need to refinish these, and that's what I'm going to do. You could actually take these blades out and reuse the arm. So I'm going to try to refinish those and clean this up, but you don't have to do that. When you look at this, see there's a little channel in there. That's where you want to put this curved edge. Sit it right in there. Find the one that fits your arm. There's actually two sizes in here. This is a 16 wiper blade, so make sure you don't buy the same as you did your front. Again, you can find this online. Type in your code. There we go. Slid in. A little bit of a click. We're ready to go.